Hello guys, today we are going to see a project demonstration of a design and fabrication of stair climbing wheelchair with bed mechanism. Basically this is a mechanical oriented project. There are two different type of projects integrated in a single project. One is a stair climbing robot. So the wheel mechanism, the tri-wheel mechanism was placed in this wheelchair. This wheelchair is capable of pulling climbing the staircase, and also this project combined with a bed mechanism. So here in the demonstration you can see there is a lever. If we adjust the lever, that wheelchair will become like a bed. So as per the patient's category, we can able to adjust as wheelchair as well as bed. So we can able to adjust partially also. Here in the demonstration you can see now the wheelchair is become a bed. So this will become, now it will become a stair climbing bed mechanism. So there are a lot of gear models which is utilized here to make this setup. So actually this is a prototype, and which is developed for project purpose, engineering college students project purpose, which can, by making this project, we have a proof of concept that this model can be developed in real time also. Actually here the stair climbing mechanism was given, but it is not motorized. We have to manually pull it to climb the stairs. Here you can see in the demonstration. So this is how the stairs can be climbed up and climbed down. Now our team is climbing up the wheelchair. You can see the tri-wheel mechanism will much support to climb the wheelchair upward and downward. So actually this is model, don't think that the chair is going upward and downward too much. So it's for project purpose we are designing this wheelchair, but in real time we can utilize this model and we can able to have a smooth mechanism which can carry the patients. Actually here we designed only the rear wheel for stair climbing kind of thing. The same model also can be integrated in the front side. Actually this project is not required that much of electronic components. This is purely a mechanical based project. We required only the 6 rear wheels and 2 free wheels with a chassis kind of thing, and we have given some rolling gear mechanism to lift up that chair model and bed model. Also coming to this application point of view, the main objective of this project are to design a reliable wheelchair which is easily operated for different type of patients. Actually we have several kind of patients daily coming to our hospital. We are handling most of the patients in the same site of either wheelchair or in a structure. So here we designed the both combination of wheelchair bed in a single mechanism. So that is the main objective of this project. This project can have applications like this can save space and also which can decrease cost. So this project have lot of advantages compared to the existing kind of thing. So coming to the real-time application, this project can be utilized for not only for hospital purpose, and also we can utilize this wheelchair for a disabled persons which they are using in real-time daily to day life. And this project required components like rack and pinion arrangement, warm and warm wheel arrangement, DC motors, frame, bearing, wheel, battery. So combination of these components we make this project. So if you require these type of projects, you can contact us. Thank you.